In 2 hours, I built a shave horse and got fairly good at using the Spokeshave.
Today I'm taking a look at the Jorgensen No.59F Spokeshave, and instead of just making a few cuts on a scrap board, I decided to build something that would really let this tool shine. So before I even opened the box, I spent about 2 hours building a traditional shave horse. You can build this too. They're not hard and they're not precise, but they do work. If you've never used one before, a shave horse is one of the oldest woodworking workbenches ever designed. You sit on it, press down with your feet to clamp the workpiece, and both hands are completely free to guide your cutting tool. It's a beautifully simple design that's been used to make chair legs, tool handles, bows, walking sticks, and just about anything around. It seemed like the perfect companion for a spoke shave. Once I had the shave horse finished, it was finally time to put this tool to work. The first thing I noticed was the overall build quality. This isn't a lightweight stamped piece of metal that feels disposable. The body is precision cast from stainless steel, giving it a nice solid weight without feeling overly heavy. It immediately feels like a tool that's built to stay in the shop for a long time. The Beechwood handles are another nice touch. They have a warm, comfortable feel that only real wood seems to provide. After using them for a while, my hands never felt cramped and the handles gave me plenty of control while making long, smooth passes. Of course, the heart of any hand plane is the blade. Jorgensen uses a 3mm 01 tool steel blade that's hardened to around 62 Rockwell. That means it's designed to stay sharp while still being easy enough to resharpen when the time comes. And that's something I always appreciate. Instead of treating blades like disposable parts, this one is meant to be sharpened over and over again, giving the tool a very long service life. Before making the first cut, I spent a few minutes dialing in the blade depth. The adjustment system's straightforward. Simply turn the two knurled adjustment knobs until the blade projects exactly where you want it, and then lock everything in place. Getting those adjustments right is worth the extra minute because once it's set correctly, the tool becomes incredibly predictable. No dust collection, no screaming motor, just the sound of sharp steel slicing cleanly through wood. Using the shave horse made the entire experience even better. Because the workpiece is held securely between the foot-operated clamp, I could focus entirely on controlling the spoke shave instead of fighting the material. That combination made it easy to shape gentle curves, smooth rough surfaces, and gradually bring the piece exactly where I wanted it. Whether you're making axe handles, chair parts, walking sticks, wooden spoons, or custom furniture, this is one of those tools that gives you a level of control that's difficult to duplicate with power tools. Power tools are fantastic when you need efficiency, but hand tools remind you that woodworking isn't just about getting to the finish line. Sometimes the process is the reward. Building the shave horse reminded me of that. I could have clamped the board in a vise and demonstrated the tool in 5 minutes. Instead, I spent a couple hours building something that's been used by craftsmen for generations. Not because I had to, but because sometimes slowing down teaches you more than speeding up ever could. After spending some time with the Jorgensen flat-bottom spoke shave, I came away impressed. The stainless steel body feels substantial, the Beechwood handles are comfortable, the blade arrived sharp, held its edge well during my testing, and the adjustment mechanism made fine-tuning easy. Whether you're just getting into hand tools or you've been woodworking for years, I think this is a tool that deserves a place in the shop. It encourages precision, it rewards patience, and honestly, it's just fun to use. There's something deeply satisfying about creating perfect wood shavings with nothing more than your hands and a sharp blade. If you've never experienced that, this might be the tool that introduces you to an entirely different side of woodworking. Thanks for watching my review. I hope seeing this spoke shave used on a traditional shave horse gives you a better idea of what it's capable of in a real woodworking project. If you enjoy woodworking, hand tools, or building projects, be sure to check out my other videos and reviews.
So there you go, from never having used one to building my own shave horse and making a bullnose piece. That is the Jorgensen flat bottom spoke shave, and I love it. I've never used one before. In 2 hours I built a shave horse and got fairly good at using the spoke shave. So definitely a really neat tool. I do a lot of woodworking, so having a tool like this in my toolbox is really cool.